Welcome everybody. Say hello to everybody, Dana.
Hello everybody, Dana.
Where are we headed, Dana?
We are going to turn left here.
And go to the Old Hickory Dam.
You think there's gonna be a lot of dam traffic out there?
Oh, my seatbelt thing's going off.
Get your seatbelt on, man. Safe now.
Excellent. You got your air-conditioned seats going?
Well, I don't, but that's not a bad idea because
I am mighty hot.
I think the ladies would agree. You know any history of this dam we're going to?
the history is that it holds a lot of water.
This is no history whatsoever. But I will tell you one thing.
A few years ago, they were really worried about the Wolf Creek Dam in Lake Cumberland,
Which is north of here up in Kentucky. They were afraid that it was going to fail.
and if it had of, it was going to come down through here and flood this entire town.
I'm checking on AirMap, and
it would appear as though we can't fly here anyway, even though that's an awesome story.
as you know, dams are critical infrastructure. Wah wah.
What do you mean we can't fly here?
I am a Part 107 pilot certified by the FAA, and
I cannot fly near a dam because it is considered critical infrastructure.
which is just a damn shame.
Even though there's an archery range back here and everything.
Oh, we can shoot arrows at it, we just can't fly over it.
Seems to be some sort of problem there.
Totally agree. Even though, and this is important for people watching, if you check on AirMap, it doesn't tell you it's critical infrastructure. It will say, you can fly here.
According to the airspace, which is what AirMap is about, but
According to the rules of the FAA, it is critical infrastructure.
Well, I'm just tickled to death to know that.
So now we head to the even better second location.
always has a backup plan.
Russians don't take a dump without a plan, son.
Da. Yeah, the Inspire 2 is a lot of fun just to take out for quick outings. Not a lot of work involved with it.
Oh, no,
This is my favorite part. It does that
That is cool.
so that you can install the camera sold separately. So yeah, you gotta put the camera on every time. It's super convenient. It takes great, amazing video. Wait till you see it. Even on a low light day like today, it'll look fantastic.
The price was right.
That's true. For those who don't know, this was donated to the channel and me by a very kind benefactor.
Extremely kind.
Yeah. And his name was Dana Wood. I'm just kidding. People will think that.
No,
he did not give this
I
to
did
her.
not.
No,
Do
no.
not. I want no credit.
Oh, you thought we were done setting up? No, no, no. We still have to
no.
put these 3-foot-long propellers on.
Yeah.
So that's fun. You know, I think people watching.
Sure they're not windshield wipers?
Yeah.
I mean, seriously.
So today we're flying the Inspire 2. I haven't taken this out that often, but it is an amazing.
Pardon me.
Oh, sorry about that, Dana.
Oh,
there
hey,
you are.
all right,
Yeah,
thanks.
it's an amazing machine with an incredible camera. It looks like it could lift a toddler, doesn't it?
I mean, it really does. What was that?
That's how you initiate the calibration. Did you know that? Oh, crap. Well, we didn't need that.
Ooh, did that break? I think
Yeah.
it broke your thing. Yeah.
Look at that. DJI has quality equipment except for their lanyards. Look at that, it just freaking snapped off. Thanks, DJI. Can I get a care and refresh on
Yeah.
this if it broke?
Need a refund.
Yeah, DJI.
Wow,
Shame
dude.
on you. How
Hey, you can just put that somewhere else.
about over there?
Does it work this way on the Phantoms too?
Yeah, yeah. And all you have to do is take this. You don't have to go into the menu, deep into the menu. If you want to initiate compass calibration, all you do is this switch right here and just go like 3 times, and then that brings it up for calibration. There's a little shortcut for you.
Now you just found that out not long ago.
No, I've known that for years. But I didn't tell you because I wanted to be the only one that knew. I'm just kidding. Now, how far down is the dam?
Just as soon as you get out there, you'll see it to your right.
Okay, so it is critical infrastructure. We can't fly over it or too close to it, but I'll give you a view. You ready for the legs? You ready?
Come on, do it, man.
Hit the leg switch. Push
Leg
that up,
switch.
yeah.
Push that up?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
So cool.
Oh! You look at the ripple in the water.
Oh, right.
Like a helicopter's landing.
Yeah. What do you think? That's 15, 17 feet away from
yeah,
it?
at least, yeah.
That's a heck of a downdraft.
You're not kidding.
Here we go. I have a target. I think I'm flying it like an FPV drone. Am I good? Yeah. I'm not near the bank or anything?
No. Just a little low as far as for me.
All right. Let's go over and see the dam. Now I'm going to take off my spectacles and put them on my head so that I can see the screen without my bifocals. Do you have any glasses on a chain?
Not yet.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm wanting them.
Are you?
Yeah, I mean
for menus and
for
stuff.
Readers, yeah.
Yeah. Gotta get those readers.
The readers, I need them.
Yeah, you can't watch the wheel without the readers.
It's happened.
Yeah, we got old.
Can't stop it. Well, you can, and it's,
well, yeah.
It's not a good option.
No. Believe it or not, the range on the Inspire 2 is not as good as the Mavic 2.
Oh, well then.
I'm not going to be able to go all the way over the dam.
No, you're not.
Because that's too damn far. Signal too weak. Wow.
Man, you ought to be able to raise him up.
Yeah. Oh, well, there's the dam. I went past it. So see this? If I go this way, this is a 2-axis. I'll make it bigger so you can see.
Wow.
This is the camera that a second pilot would use to fly the drone, and it's only a 2-axis gimbal, so you can see it like that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. But yeah, there's the dam. I just don't have the confidence to be flying over water. It's really using that Aki stink. I don't know. It could be the moisture in the air. It could be I haven't done the latest firmware update. It could be just the drone gods are against me. I've never had.
There he is. Yeah.
Yeah, I've never had an issue where I couldn't go that far before. Yeah, I think I've flown over water enough today.
Kind of making things tighten up a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. You know, I have all the confidence in the world flying over water with a Phantom or any other drone, but this is kind of a pricey
Yeah,
thing.
when you're flying a used car.
That's true.
You know.
Sure, let's get it in front of the camera. Are you filming that? Let's bring the legs down. Yeah! All right, Dana.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hand catch it.
You are?
Yeah, why not?
All right, man.
All right, so I'm gonna try to hand catch it. I hand caught it once before. Don't try this at home. I did it. Let's see if I can do it again. Dana?
Good luck.
You wanna bring it down?
Not really, but I'll do it.
So do you know how to do it?
I'm gonna pull down on that knob.
Right. And just once again, remind everybody, this is how you turn it off. This stick, left stick down and hold. If you do the both sticks in when it's on the ground, it'll want to tip over and break. We don't want that, do we?
No.
All right. Ready. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
So I noticed that you took that piece out before you flew.
Yeah, this is the SSD, solid state drive.
Huh.
And you use this when you record
Matic?
no, I'll put the word, there it is, yeah. Why, how come I didn't know that?
Is that clear?
Yeah.
But there's another drive in it.
Yes, I'm recording the video that you saw from an SD card, but it also has an option to record the SSD. This is what movie companies, whenever you see the Inspire 2 being used in a movie or a high-end commercial or something, they record to this. There's not a lot of record time on this, and it records in 6K.
Which is quite pricey, I would imagine.
Yeah, this itself was $250. Mm-hmm. And then it's an additional something like $600 to get the codec in order to record to it.
Oh my word.
Luckily, it came with it. And what did I pay? That's it.
Yeah.
I'll put a link in the description to the video where this was gifted to me. It was a good day. Another good day is coming for fans of the Inspire platform, as the Inspire 3 is set to come out in about 6 months. It is now fully developed, according to my sources. However, it was pushed back because they want to focus on the Mavic 3 and the Mini 2 for now. Well, thanks for hanging out with me again today, Dana.
Hey man, it's always a good time, huh?
And now, Dana's gonna fly FPV again.
Yes. And Ken's gonna pay for it.
I would, yeah. Here's how it happened last time. Just go from there into the hoop for $100.
For $100.
Yeah. Okay, all right. My $100 is safe.
It's safe, I tell you.
And remember, always practice safe droning.
Always.
Yeah.
Always.
The drone has really bad breath. That's why.
Really?
Not the COVID, it's the bad breath.
You don't want to get in a cough.
It has lithium breath. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, buh.
Bye.
We can do it here.
I mean... Did you see what I just did?
He was talking to somebody without a walkie-talkie.
I'm talking to you going, so
I will not fly over water. I will not fly over water. I will not fly over water.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it, man. I've warned you once, I've warned you twice. Don't do it.
I'm not gonna do it, even upside down.